Let's learn conversion of whole numbers in base 16 to base 10. And here is an example. Convert 1a base 16 to base 10. But let's recall, digits used in the base 16 number system are 0 to 9, A representing digit 10, B representing digit 11, C representing digit 12, D representing digit 13, E representing digit 14, and F representing digit 15. Let's try to remember that because we'll be using it in this example. Solution. Write out the number 1a base 16. Now the first step, we number these digits from the last digits, that is 0, 1, and let's say we have other numbers lined up here, we keep on numbering it until we've exhausted all the digits in the numbers. But for this number, we only have 1a, just 2 digits, and we've numbered them. Now the next step is, we pick the first digit, 1, multiply by the base, 16, raised to the power of 1, we have here 1, plus the next number, which we have as a, and a in base 16 represents digit 10. So we have 10 multiplied by the base, 16, raised to the power 0. So we simplify further. 1 multiplied by 16 raised to the power 1 is 16, plus 10 times 16 raised to the power of 0 is 1, because any number raised to the power of 0 gives us 1. 1 multiplied by 16, 16, plus 10 multiplied by 1, 10. Then we add up 16 plus 10, that gives us 26 base 10. And that means 26 base 10 is the same thing as having 1a base 16. And that's how to convert a whole number in base 16 to base 10. Thank you.